give us an overview of the structure of the concerto?
Absolutely. I've just read a book by David Mitchell called Cloud Atlas, which is a kind of multi-thread narrative. So you've got lots of different stories happening in that book, which are set in different centuries, with different sort of characters in different places. So I thought, how could I transfer this kind of idea to music? So I had the idea of sort of suggesting many, many different styles throughout the piece in a kind of mosaic-like form. Milton Marquise has done a brilliant sort of graphic explanation of the form, which you can see here. As you can see, there are 4 basic movements, and in between each movement there's an interlude. And instead of having cadenzas, I decided to have these interludes where the theorbo would be featured with double bass, but also another solo instrument. So the first interlude is for violin, theorbo and bass, then the second one is cello, and the final one is viola. And then the movements in between that are kind of prelude, scherzo, Passacaglia, and finale. These are all made up of tiny sort of fragments of other styles of pieces. So there's a kind of set of variations that goes through the whole work, through all 4 movements, various different sort of dance suites, various different allusions to different kinds of sonatas, concertos, and so on. So the idea was to try and make this really, really complex, labyrinthine-like structure. And then the challenge for me as a composer was to sort of make it all join up together and sound quite naturally, moving from one thing to another. So that was the kind of challenge I set myself.